Cosmetic wheel repair.
You're looking married to the
Pablo, ask him what cosmetic wheel repair
What
is.
is cosmetic?
Everybody
What
gets
is
curb rash on the wheels, right? The motor trim will cover that for you up to, I believe, 4 inches. So,
What? It's got nothing to do with inches.
look, man, Joe's always been grinding us with the inches and inches and inches. So,
What?
On Cosmetic wheel repair.
dude, Joe, are you kidding me?
Joe, yeah.
Yeah, Cosmetic.
Pushing like how many inches?
No, 4 inches would be on the paint scratch.
On the, it's
Six
actually on the
inches
paint
is
dent, so
on
it's
the-
4 inches on the paint dent, and then on
The
paint scratch
paint-
is 6 inches.
6 inches.
Okay, paintless dent repair is 4 inches.
2 inches. for the
Scratch
crack in
and
the
scuff
window.
is 6 inches, and cosmetic wheel, there ain't no inches
There's no
involved.
inches, yeah.
No, Cosmetic.
Okay, if I scrape if I curb my alloy wheel, I'm gonna scrape the whole son of a bitch, right?
No.
Yeah. That's the way it works. Okay, how much does it cost to get a wheel fixed?
From 80 to 300.
In Pacoima, there is a place for 65 bucks.
Say again?
65.
In San Fernando too.
San Fernando is a little more, 85.
No, it was 50 last time I went actually.
It'll vary, okay? Where do most wheels get scuffed?
The surface of
2 places. Fast food, drive-through, bank, drive-through. That's where most scuffed wheels take place,
I didn't know.
okay? This is why Steve was sent to you today, to drop little bits of information. All right, so how might we do this? We might say, have you ever scuffed a wheel going through a fast food drive-through or a bank drive-through? How much did it cost to get it fixed? Oh, you didn't get it fixed. Nobody does, okay? Did you even look into what it would cost to get it fixed? It's about 100 to 150 bucks to get it fixed, but you know what? You did pay for that. And if you're trading that vehicle in, you're about to pay for that scuffed up wheel. You know why? Whoever buys it from you is going to see the scuffed up wheel and deduct from the value of your vehicle the amount of money it's going to take to fix it. By the way, is this true or false? This is true. You still filming him?
Yeah.
Why? He's not saying he's not saying a word.
Say.
All right.